Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find the frequently asked questions on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the lower bar and click to the last button, the account. And here you can find the third button, the frequently asked question and the support. Click that. And here you can find the frequently asked questions, the my tickets and the privacy policy information. For example, click to the first button. And you can find different options and you can check the information about that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.